Should I hire a guide? That's a good question. I find most of the excitement is just going out on your own and finding your own kind of cool little secret spots. Some of these lakes have a pile of islands on them, channels, waterfalls that you can all access from a boat. Most days are quite nice on the lake here unless you get a windy one, but even still you can usually find a side of the lake that the wind isn't on, or you can hide in a bay or behind an island. If you do require a guide, we can set something up for you from a knowledgeable one from around the area. Or we do have maps of whatever lake you're going to that you choose that previous guests have marked off that they always caught fish at. So a couple options to go for, but like I say, part of the adventure is just getting out there on your own and finding your own secret spots.